Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in consumer tech. Today, we're diving into the Orbea Diem E-bike, a sleek urban commuter that promises to revolutionize your city travels. Let's roll right into it. First up, let's talk design. The Orbea Diem boasts a modern, minimalist aesthetic that's as functional as it is stylish. Its low-slung frame and integrated battery give it a clean, streamlined look, perfect for navigating crowded city streets. The frame's diamond glide construction adds to its comfort, absorbing those pesky road shocks like a champ. Now, onto the features. This e-bike is packed with goodies. Integrated front and rear lights enhance visibility, making nighttime rides a breeze. A handy phone mount with USB-C charging keeps you connected on the go, ensuring your device stays powered for those navigation apps. Plus, it comes with a robust rear rack capable of hauling up to 44 pounds, ideal for groceries or work gear. Let's talk performance. Powered by a Shimano motor, the Orbea Diem delivers smooth acceleration and reliable power across 3 assist levels. Whether you're tackling steep inclines or cruising through city traffic, this bike handles like a dream. Despite its weight, maneuverability remains surprisingly agile, though those wide handlebars might take some getting used to in tight spots. Battery life is crucial for any e-bike, and the Orbea Diem doesn't disappoint. With a 540 watt-hours battery on board, it comfortably handles urban commutes without breaking a sweat. During our tests, we found it easily managed round trips of 14 miles with juice to spare, making it a reliable companion for daily rides. How does it stack up against the competition? Well, compared to other urban e-bikes, the Diem stands out for its blend of performance and practicality. While it may be pricier than budget alternatives, its quality build and integrated features justify the investment for serious commuters. In conclusion, the Orbea Diem e-bike earns our seal of approval as a top-tier urban commuter. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or cruising through the suburbs, its robust performance and thoughtful design make it a standout choice. If you're in the market for a reliable e-bike that blends style with substance, look no further than the Orbea Diem. That wraps up our deep dive into the Orbea Diem e-bike. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned to Product Critique for all your tech needs. Thanks for watching.